Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a lock style video. So, have you seen my headband curls video from way back? Have you seen it? I'm gonna insert some clips here because that's gonna be more of a tutorial, okay? This, I already did it. I was experimenting while I did it, so I didn't film it, but I already have the tutorial, which is thorough enough. However, I may need to make another tutorial because I did do it a little differently. As you can see in that video, my locks weren't that long. So it's easier to achieve headband curls when your locks are short to medium length. But when your locks are long, that's when it gets difficult. So I thought it was pretty much impossible to do, which is why I haven't done headband curls since this time in my life, whatever year this was. But I realized, you know what? If I can separate my hair and do it with 2 headbands, I could probably be successful. So I think I did it. But I'm gonna take it out and let's see. But first, I want to say this was kind of cute on its own. So I definitely wore it like this for a few days. Unintentionally, I didn't really mean to, but it's kind of cute. Like, it's a style, you know, gets the hair off my neck and off my back. By the way, my locks are down past my waist at this point, so that's just for reference for those of you who are not familiar. So yeah, this style is possible if your locks are long. Now, if your locks are really long, then I don't know. I think that you should probably just go with other curl methods. But the reason why I really wanted to try headband curls again is because I really love the beach wavy look. Just the soft waves. So I don't even know how long this is gonna last. I'll keep you guys posted. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, okay? All right, enough chitter chatter. I'm gonna start trying to take this down. I almost forgot, I want to show you the back. So it's not the neatest, but it was neat enough for me, and I did wear some scarf looks with it, so it didn't look as messy. I think I slept without a scarf last night, so it's a little lumpy, but it's all right. So I'm gonna start by taking out the bottom headband first. So basically, you just wanna, I don't even know if I remember how to do this. Again, refer to my tutorial, okay? This is not a tutorial, I'm just showing you guys. Oh boy, I definitely forgot how you do this. Oh Lord, oh no, ow. Oh boy. Maybe I needed some help. Wait. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to figure this out and I'll come back. So I think it's really important to note that when you are putting your locks in the headbands, you want to be patient. I know the process feels really tedious and annoying, but you really want to be patient because when you're patient, your locks will flow correctly. And when you're not patient, the detangling process after is a pain. As you can see, I'm struggling. But basically, you just want to unroll it the opposite way that you rolled it in the first place. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but yeah, it can be hard if you didn't take care when you input it. Oh, look at this.
What are you laughing at?
My hair.
It's beautiful. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. I just so happen to be filming a YouTube video right now. I don't know if you peep.
When you get famous, hold on. I don't want you to forget about me when you get really famous. I don't want you to forget about me.
So this is the final result. I really like it, but I just know this is not gonna last more than for the weekend. Today's Saturday. By Monday, it's a wrap. I just know it. I just know it. But I do think that the style is worth it because the pre-style is cute. You know what I mean? But do I recommend it for the longer hair girls? Nah. There's got to be other ways, easier ways that you can achieve this beach wave look. Probably like mini buns, and taking out the mini buns, you know what I mean? Like, or like What else is gonna give this? Or like even like a chunky braid out. A chunky braid out will give a similar look. It's not gonna like hit quite like how it hits, but it's gonna be close enough. Yeah. But nonetheless, I do really like it. So I'm gonna take some pictures and yeah, stay tuned, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and remember, as usual, you can get your hair growth products and your lock maintenance products at KeishaCharmaine.com. Remember to shop the bundles, because when you order the bundles, you're actually saving versus buying the individual products. Order the bundles. If you want the full product line, it's called the Diamond Package. The Diamond Package has everything, okay? Check that out. I have a links below. Love, light, and locks.